In this video, I'll show you how to share files on OneDrive quickly and easily, whether you want to send a file to one person, share a folder with a team, or create a link anyone can open. This is one of the simplest ways to collaborate online, and once you know the steps, you can share documents, photos, videos, and folders in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open OneDrive on the web. You can do this by going to OneDrive in your browser and signing in with your Microsoft account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your OneDrive dashboard where all of your saved files and folders are stored. Now look for the section called My Files. This is where all of your personal files are located. Click My Files so you can browse through everything you've uploaded or created in OneDrive. From here, find the file or folder you want to share. It could be a Word document, a PDF, a photo album, or even an entire folder if you want to share multiple items at once. Once you've selected the file or folder, look at the top of the page and click the Share button. This opens the sharing menu, which is where you control exactly how other people will access your content. OneDrive gives you a couple of different sharing options, so take a moment to choose the one that fits your needs. If you want broad access, choose anyone with the link. This means that anyone who gets the link can open the file, depending on the permissions you set. If you want more control, choose specific people. This is a better option when you only want certain individuals to access the file, because they'll need to sign in and match the email address you invited. Before you copy the link, you can also set the permission level. This is an important step because it determines what people can do with the file after they open it. If you want them to only read or download the file, choose Can View. If you want them to make changes, choose Can Edit. Always double check this setting before sending the link so you don't accidentally give more access than you intended. After selecting the right sharing option and permissions, click Copy Link. OneDrive will generate a shareable link based on the settings you chose. You can now paste this link into an email, message, chat, or social post and send it to the person or people you want to share with. If you chose specific people, make sure the right email addresses are entered before you send it. If you chose anyone with the link, remember that anyone who receives that link may be able to open the file, so only use that setting when you're comfortable with broader access. And that's it. Your OneDrive file is now shared. That's how easy it is to send out files and folders without attaching them manually or uploading them somewhere else. This is especially useful for school projects, work documents, shared photos, and team collaboration. If you want more OneDrive tips and easy software tutorials, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.